Hi there. For all the chocolate lovers, I have a simple chocolate truffle recipe. The ingredients are dark chocolate plus white milk chocolate, and 2 tablespoons of your flavored juice, 2 tablespoons of rum, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, and chocolate mold. Mix the both of it and put it in microwave for 5 minutes till it's semi melted. And once it's melted, give it a gentle stir and make it like a smooth paste so that you can put it into the molds. Once it's a smooth paste, just try to put it into the molds. Make sure that you don't fill the molds, but just put it enough so that the circumference of the molds is covered. Be gentle while doing this, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this process. Fill each and every mold like the way it's shown, and you'll be done with it. You can take molds of different sizes and shapes and whatever you like, whatever it is available in the market. Refrigerate it in the freezer for 5 minutes, and then in the meanwhile melt the remaining chocolate and pour it in a bowl. Put 2 tablespoons of cream in it and give it a gentle stir. Then put 2 tablespoons of your flavored juice. You can go for pineapple or you can go for orange. Here I am using rum because I had some. So till it becomes like a gentle truffle shaped texture, so it's not liquid, not frozen. Then put it inside the frozen chocolate molds till the brim. Make sure you leave some space for another layer of chocolate to come over it. And as you're doing it, it's a little messy, but chocolate is a messy treat. Refrigerate it again for 5 minutes and then take the melted chocolate and layer it above that frozen truffle. It's not exactly frozen, but it's a semi-liquid state, whereas the surface will be hard and frozen, and it's going to be yum. So you're going to have a gooey texture inside of your favorite flavor. So here you can see that I'm covering the layer on the top, and again I'm going to refrigerate it for next 15 minutes. And then once it's done, I'm going to remove it out and gently place it on a tray or a plate and try to unmold it. Now this is the exciting part. Look at that. That's really glossy and really beautiful in shape. I'm so excited to taste it. Be gentle while doing this because you do not want the chocolate to break. Also, let me tell you that you're going to really enjoy this chocolate once it's done with different shapes and sizes, and it's a perfect gift for your loved ones and a secret way to their hearts. So you know what, enjoy this. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, do subscribe to my channel.